Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a time limit job for iRobot Roomba i3. To do this, first we'll need to open the robot app and then select it. Inside you can click on this plus app button in the favorites, and here we can name the job, pick a different color, and here you can find time limit. You can set it to none. That will basically start cleaning without any time limit and you will need to stop it manually. Or go for 15 minutes, 30 minutes or 45 minutes. When you're ready, create the favorite and it should appear right here. You can start it anytime and it will clean for a certain amount of time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.